Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Tell me what we have learned in last class. A grammatical aspect, that is types of nouns. Yes? Now today what we have to learn, that is one more grammatical aspect, that is articles, and the poem is My Shadow, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Now coming to your textbook, children. In your textbook, vocabulary is there. Okay, vocabulary. This is vocabulary. Vocabulary means a new word used by us to give a more effective to the language. So here picture is there, that is Geoffrey with Slow Coach and Spot. How they wanted to find out their sack. That is actually this is the place to find out the slow coach, but luckily they got the sack of his silver cups also. So here they have given the names of the cutlery and given boxes to you. So you have to complete what is the picture and what is the correct word of that particular picture. And next, here they give some sports names and those objects, tools, what we have to use the pictures. You have to match the following. Match the following. Now coming to our grammatical aspect, one more, that is articles. What is our grammatical aspect? We left that articles. In last class, what we have completed? Types of nouns. Yes. Articles means, what is mean by articles? Do you know what is mean by articles? Yes. Ye, an, and, the. These are the articles. Okay children? These are the articles. Where we have to use these articles? What are the rules we have to follow to write these articles in sentence? For example, I am a teacher. Okay. Sentence as we know that sentence has a pattern. What is the pattern? Subject, verb, and object. Yes, this is the sentence pattern. Now where is the subject? I. Where is the verb? Here helping verb and main verb is the same. So am, a. I have introduced article. So this is article. And teacher is object. Teacher is object. So whenever you are writing a sentence, along with the parts of speech and sentence pattern, we have to write along with articles also. We can use articles before noun or pronoun. Before noun and pronoun to specify the things or unspecify the things. Okay? Now I am explaining articles. Now I am going to explain a, or an, and the are the three articles. In English, you can go anywhere. How many articles are there? 3 articles. What are the articles? A, an, and the. Okay. These 3 are divided into 2 groups. How many groups? 2 groups. What will? That is indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article and definite article. What is the definite article and indefinite article? Let me explain. How many are there? 3 only there. In that also 2 groups. So what are the indefinite article? Articles and definite article. A, an are the indefinite articles. Definite article is single. That is very powerful. Single, but it's very powerful. So definite article and definite article. Oh, how many indefinite articles are there, children? 2. What are those? A, and. Definite article is the. Yes, these articles are there where we have to use, okay, why we have to know about this, why we have to learn about this, because here rules are there, because we have to give a specific information about noun or pronoun. For example, here a is there. Okay, indefinite article. What is a? Indefinite article. I'll tell you only three, four rules. Okay, indefinite article. Cursive writing. Okay, indefinite article. Where we have to use first. A always used before consonant sound. We have to use before consonant sounds. Do you know, children, what are the consonants and what are the vowels? Yes, hope you know. How many letters we have? 26. What are that? A to Z. Yes, in this, how many vowels are there? 5. What are those? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Rest of them all consonants. Means 21 consonants. How many are there? 21 consonants are there. So, where we have to use A? 21 sounds. What are the consonant sounds are there? Before 21 consonant sounds, we have to use A. We have to use A. So, this is one rule. And sometimes we are writing a vowel only, but it spells or sounds like consonant. First of all, I will give example. A book. Book. B consonant, no? A book. Now, sometimes what I said now? Sometimes we are writing with vowel only, like A, I, O, U, but it sounds like a consonant. For example, university, okay, and European, one. These many words are there. These words started with vowel only, but sounds like university. Telugu, you know, here university. This is consonant, children. Sound like consonant. So what is our rule? Before consonant sounds only we have to use. So here we have to use, you must use A. A university, because this sounds like consonant. A European, same, European. A, here A, we have to use A. First rule is before consonants. Depends on that, some words started with vowel also, vowel letter. Also we have to use before the consonant sound A. And one, here one. So A. A 1 rupee note. You can write add for this. I'll write this to here. ₹1 note. Okay, in this, why I have to use here A? Because of one, wa is a consonant. So before consonants, as usual, we have to use A. And third rule. Third rule is A we can use a countable noun. Okay, that is we are introducing first time. We are talking about something first time. Okay, first time we can use a before that. What is the examples? I bought, or your father, your mother, whoever that. I bought a blue pen. Okay, I bought a blue pen. That is a. First time you bought that, means you buy that so many times, but you are saying about that particularly first time to your friend or your neighbor, that is blue pen. So a we can use even before countable nouns also. Before countable noun. Actually, we have completed this, yes, in types of noun. So before countable nouns also we have to use what? How, like we are talking about in single object, a book, a pen, a pencil, okay, a box, like these are the rules about a, article a, that is indefinite article a. Okay, this is indefinite article. We are using first before consonant sounds, not consonants, consonant sounds. Here again some words start with vowel letter but sounds like a consonant. We have to use before that consonant sounds a only. And we are talking about that particular thing, that is about first time. We are talking about that something first time we have to use a before the word, before the noun. And before countable nouns, that is a single, it's not plural, singular, we have to use before those objects also. Yes children, hope you understand. Now coming to second one. What is the indefinite article, other indefinite article children? Yes, and we have to follow rules. What is the second one? That is indefinite article. What is the rules? This is also, which one this is? Definite or indefinite? Yes, indefinite article. Good. Okay, indefinite article. Rules. First rule. What I have explained to you and we have discussed before consonant sounds a. Now before vowel sounds. Before vowel sound. Before vowel sound. For example, as we know that so many you have no, but you don't know the rule. An orange, an owl, owl. These all are started with A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U, that is vowels. Sometimes these words started with consonant letters but sounds like a vowel. How like that is? Second one. M-A, M-L-A, M-L-A. Okay, MLC. MLC. These are the abbreviations. So, these are the abbreviations. These start with consonant only. M is a consonant, yes or no? Because A, E, I, O, U only vowels. So, rest of them all consonants only. These also consonants. M, A, N, M, L, all. But these are the abbreviations. M, L, M, A. So, we have to say that N. an MA, an MLA, an MLC. We have to use before that M. He was an MLC, MLC, MLC. And these are the abbreviations. And third rule, we have to talk about, that is before vowel sounds. Okay, before vowel sounds only. And these are the abbreviations of. And countable noun, that is start with vowels, as same first one only. Countable noun start with vowel sound only. Vowel sound, like an countable noun, tell me. An onion, we can count. Yes, an elephant, we can count. So this is about an article. Yeah, hope you understand, children. An is an indefinite article. Rules before vowel sounds only. An MLA, like abbreviations. And countable nouns start with vowel sound. This is about an indefinite article. Sometimes we are using first time, like a first time. Here also an also we can use, but before vowel sound. My father bought for me an egg. Okay, an igloo picture. Like whatever we are talking about, that first time about the thing, we can use article. An article. Now coming to the is specific, means as a definite. Yeah, coming to the is one and only article, that is definite article. Definite article. Definite. It has specific. Okay, specify the or whatever we are talking about. First rule is, whenever, do you know adjectives? Yes. Whenever we are using adjectives, in that adjectives 3 forms are there: positive, comparative and superlative. Here we are using before the superlative form. We are using before the superlative. Superlative form. That is, we are talking about an adjective, children. Okay, adjective only have superlative form. I'll give example here. We can take a big, okay, bigger and biggest. So whenever we are taking the word using a sentence, we can use the biggest. We can use this, the biggest. This is superlative. The biggest. So this is the rule. Superlative form. In adjective superlative form, we have to use the. And second rule is, we already mentioned, we are talking about something, we already mentioned that, so the continuation we have to use the, indicating that particular already we have mentioned. For example, he lives in his village. Okay, here I will give name. Don't confuse, I will give name here. He means like Hari. You can take Hari. Hari lives in his village. He loved the village. He loved the village. He loved the village, or he liked the village. Here, what is here? Village already mentioned here. Okay. He lives in his village only. But how like he feeling? How was he felt? He felt means he loved. Actually, we are saying his village. Here we are talking about the particularly. That's what he loved the village. What is the village? What village he has lived? This is the what is the rule here? Already we have mentioned. Already mentioned. Okay. Already mentioned nouns. We are talking about those. Then we are using the. We are using the. And third rule. What is the third rule is? Monuments. Okay. In cities, monuments or rivers are there. That is only specific, only single river is there. That is we are taking. For example, monuments, rivers. We specify things. What we are specifically taking, saying something. So those specific things we can, before those we have to use the. Example, the Nile. Nile is a river. Do you know? Yes. The Gateway of India. Gateway of India. And what is the specific? They are playing. They are playing in the ground or in the garden. In the garden. So, specific, already known about this garden. That's what they are playing in the garden. The Gateway of India monuments and river, the Nile. This is about the, specifically we are taking. We already mentioned those continuation we have to we have to use the. And articles, this is the is a definite article. Okay, definite article. And an and a are the indefinite articles. How many articles are there in English, children? 3 articles. What are the articles? A, an, and the. A and an are the indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. This is about your grammatical part. Do you want more information about that? In your textbook, page number 15. You don't have textbook means we already sending pages what we have covered. So you have to see in that and read once, write the exercise. Now coming to our textbook page numbers, next children, 18 and 19. See here, 18 and 19. 18 writing is there, mean you have to be read once the story, and here some questions they have given to you. So write the answers. And 19, read the story once. Not only the story, in the textbook story, you can take another stories like same context there. So you can write, you can give a different ending of the story. Already what happened here? Jafari found the silver cups through the help of dog Spot and Slow Coach. Now you can think different ending. He found that, but he want to found the thief also. Okay, then what he has to do? What he has to do, and what he has taken steps to catch the thief. So you have to be write a different ending. That is in 19 page. They already have given some ideas to you to use your mind and write your own words, the story, that ending. Coming to our poem, this is My shadow. What is our poem is? My shadow. My shadow. Written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Yeah, children. My shadow. What is meant by shadow, children? I am standing here, my shadow here, or back of me. Okay. While you are going, it is only follow you. It is only follow you. As we know that, but we are not taking care of that. As we know that also, we are not taking care of that. Here, who wrote the poem? Robert Louis Stevenson. Who was he? He was a Scottish novelist and a travel writer, a poet. He wrote not only My Shadow, some other poems like The Moon, The House Beautiful, Underwoods. These are the writings of him. He was a Scottish. We are saying nationality of the person also we can use a before that. Articles. Keep your mind. He was a Scottish. Here also we can learn. Here also we can learn articles. We are talking about a nationality of the person. Before you can use a. He was a Scottish. He was born in 1850 on 13th November. In Edinburgh, Scotland. So he was a Scottish. He was a poet, traveler, a travel writer. Means some of them they are writing while they are traveling journey. That is travel writer and novelist. These many aspects he has to improve himself. So he was a poet, he was traveler writer and a novelist. Scottish novelist. He was Scottish novelist. This is about Stevenson. He wrote My Shadow because he wanted to explain about how was how was his shadow react. How, like we are saying, for example, we can take an apple. Okay, we can take an apple. This shadow also come like this. So this is only shading. We can't see this, but shading, black shade. This is we are keeping here means that shadow like this. So shadow means whenever we are standing in front of light, our shadow, our back of ourselves will get. Now coming to our poem, page number 20, children. Yes, my shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and with me. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the toe, up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me. He is a coward, you can see. I should think shame to stick to Nursie as that shadow sticks to me. One morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Children, once you have to read after mine. After I'm reading, see here I'm reading now, so you have to repeat after me. My shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I see, more than I can see. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. Heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me. He's a coward you can see. I should think shame to stick to Nursie as that shadow sticks to me. One morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the dew on every buttercup. The shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Here, some new words are there. See here, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Shadow means whenever we are going, along with us it comes. You can see children, you can observe today, you can stand in front of sunlight or any light. Okay, you can see how like that shadow. Yes, here my shadow. Yes, once you can also observe. Whenever you are standing early morning, okay, rising up the sun, so the shadow must be like your back, and whenever it is noon, the shadow, yes, morning time, the shadow a little bigger, and whenever you are standing at noon, the shadow will be small, that is very small, and whenever again evening, a little bit more. Because sun is going like this, the shadow also changes its shapes. Okay, but actually our children, how like they grow? They are going day by day, month by month and year by year. It's taking some time, but shadow not like that. At time 24 hours, in that 24 hours it changes its shapes like because of light, focusing of the light. Yes, now coming to, I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. Wherever I am going, that is following me. Poet, here poet expressed his views. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. What is the use? Whatever I am doing, that is also same. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. Wherever you can see, the shadow seem like me only. From heels to head. No changes. How like I am? The shadow also same as like me. Underline this. He is very, very like me. From the heels up to the head. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. I want to sleep sometime. So I'm going to bed, okay, to jump my bed. Before myself, who was there? Before myself, my shadow was there. Before myself is jumped on my bed. The funniest thing, what is the funniest thing here? It's a very, very funniest thing, that is about him, the way he likes to grow. How like, just I have explained you, how like children grown, not like the shadow grown, that has grown because of light focusing. Not the children have to grown up like day by day they are like that, but not shadow grown like that. It grows like in days itself. Every time it grown bigger and smaller here. Not at all like proper children. Proper children takes some time to grown up, but grows up. But the here shadow do not take any time, which is always very slow. Proper children takes time means very slow, but shadow at that moment. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball. Children, what is mean by Indian rubber ball? Do you have? Children, this is a small rubber ball. Okay, whenever you are hitting on the floor, it bounces. It bounces. Okay, so like a Indian rubber ball, it bounces means shadow also like that, changing and bounces. How we are behaving, the shadow also same. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. Sometimes it become big than me, but sometimes very small. Okay, so how like it is? Like an Indian rubber ball, it bounces like up and down. But whenever sometimes it's very small. He hasn't got a notion. It doesn't have any idea how children ought to play. They must mandatory to play, necessary to play, compulsory to play. Ought means, what is the word? Ought. Ought means that is compulsory or necessary. Okay, compulsory or to play. And Indian rubber ball means, already I have explained, it's a small ball to bounces. Okay, and ought, compulsory. Notion means idea, children. Okay, idea. He hasn't got any idea, a notion of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. Sometimes I felt fool like looking at my shadow. He stays so close beside me. He's covered, you can see. Sometimes it's very close. At noon time, you see, at noon time it's very small. So, covered. What does mean by covered? Covered means fear, afraid. Covered means fear. That means timid persons. Timid persons means they are afraid of something. See, children afraid of strangers, how like they behave? Come to us. So here also shadow come to me. I should think shame to stick to nursery. Stick to nursery. In previous days, in olden days, nursery means who was a woman who was taking care of children. Okay, like Aya. Ayamma we call this, no? Yes. I should think to stick to nursery as the shadow sticks to me. Sometimes like nursery only. It is only taking care of me like that. One morning, very early before the sun was up, even sun also didn't rise. On that time, I rose and found the shining dew. Just I woke up and went outside. I see that Actually, this is a buttercup, children. It's a buttercup flower, yellow in color. Okay. Shining dew means water drops. Dew means a drop of water. Dew means a drop of water. Here, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. Means so many flowers in front of my house. So whenever I went to my balcony and watched that, I saw there a dew, a shining water drop on the buttercups. But on that time, what happened? But my lazy little shadow, my shadow is there now. My lazy little shadow, like an errant sleep, bad sleep, means completely, that is in deep sleep. So this is totally complete. It's not sufficient. So that is in errant sleepy head, means bad sleepy head, total completely deep sleep. Sleepy head, but my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, he stayed at home, okay, behind me, and was fast asleep in bed. Whenever I went to balcony, but it didn't come to me. It stayed on my bed only, because very lazy. It was very lazy. Who expressed all these feelings? Who was expressed? Poet. Who was poet? Robert Louis Stevenson. So he expressed his views about his shadow. We also feel like that, but we are not taking care of we are not bothered about the shadow. But here Stevenson taking the shadow, the small aspect, and build up this poem. So this is about my shadow. Now coming to a small aspect, children, simile. What is mean by simile? Children, simile is a comparison. We are using a term. In prose, how like we are using parts of speech. We have learned parts of speech, no? Here, a simile belongs to figures of speech. So, in poetry, we are using figures of speech to give more effect to that language. Okay, so simile means comparison. We are using comparison. We are using two things to compare. Okay, compare. For that comparison, what we have to take? Use as or like. As or like. These words you can use for comparison. For example, we can take, yes, her face is as bright as moon, because face compared with moon, okay, moon. And she fought like a lioness, like Jhansi, no? Jhansi Rani. So she, how like she fought? Like lioness. Here comparison word, like. Here comparison word, as. What is the adjective? Bright. So we are using comparison. We are comparing two things using the word as or like. Okay, this is known as simile. Simile used for comparison. While you are comparing the things, we are using the phrases or words as or like. This is about simile. Children, page number 21. The poem appreciation is there. So they are giving already lines of that, from that poem only. Questions are there, followed by the line stanzas. You have to be write the answers. And here simile. What is simile and what are the examples? Some exercise also there. You have to be complete this. And we have successfully completed our first lesson. Hope you understand well. We'll continue next class. We'll start a new lesson. Thank you.